Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2005 Toyota RAV4 CV. This shape ran from the 7th month 2000 to the 10th month 2005. This vehicle sustained damage to the rear. This vehicle is fitted with a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an all-wheel drive automatic transmission. The bonnet appears to have no damage. The right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. 16-inch factory alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tow bar, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. Right hand door mirror power. Right hand front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission, gear stick, tidy automatic transmission centre console, factory AC controls, single stack CD player factory, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy centre courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel, driver's power window master switch, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.